Tesla is set to build the biggest charging station the world has ever seen. Compared to other charging stations, this mega station is huge and is getting all the buzz right now. Will this charging station put Tesla completely ahead in the EV industry? Let's find out. It is no secret that Tesla doesn't advertise. Still, the company has built quite the app for its new gigantic station. It's just like that time Tesla wanted to market its Cybertruck. The company used pictures of engineers on the truck and won the internet. Tesla already has a big charging station in Coalinga, California, with 98 bays. That station is regarded as the largest EV supercharger station in the world. Now the EV company wants to go even bigger. It is planning an impressive supercharger station with 164 charging stalls. The company shared plans about the new mega charging station on X. According to those plans, Tesla will build the new largest EV supercharger station in Kern County, California. However, the question is, are 164 individual charging stalls not overkill? Is this just a media stunt by Tesla to get in the news? And is Elon Musk Tesla trying a free marketing and advertising move? It could be, but there are also legitimate reasons for Tesla to build the supercharger charging station. And we'll talk about them. Range improvement. So, battery development has reached a peak, where it might take some time to get a much more powerful battery that charges faster and lasts longer. In light of this, manufacturers must find a way to improve the user experience of the EV. This is why Tesla's proposed supercharger station is important, as it provides EV users with reliability on every charge and allows for a longer range of travel. With multiple charging stations having multiple charging stalls, the anxiety over the traveling range of an EV is no longer as prominent. Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is a bust. Sure, it is a futuristic delight, but it does not offer as much distance range per charge as promised, and this is a downside. To solve this, the company advises users to buy a range-extending battery that occupies almost half of the truck's bed. Another major downside to this EV truck is the lower tow rating of the car. Truck owners haul huge loads, and the strength and capability of a truck to tow loads are important considerations when getting a truck. Cybertruck is 3,000 pounds short of the promised tow capacity. Since the Cybertruck has a lower towing range, the next best thing is to make available supercharging stations that can at least guarantee that truck drivers would never run out of charge. As of June 2023, Ford Motors and GM announced that they would be collaborating with Elon Musk's Tesla to allow Ford and GM EVs to use Tesla's supercharger network. These traditional car makers believe Tesla has the best experience managing charging stations. This announcement is to help the general public easily migrate to EVs, as the fear of not finding a suitable charger is a major concern to every driver, and a strong reason many have failed to buy electric vehicles. This partnership means more power and money for Tesla. The auto industry's decision to collaborate with Tesla on charging connector standards presents a significant gamble, placing dependence on the company's unpredictable leader, Elon Musk, for a critical technology. Unlike most technical standards, Tesla's proprietary North American charging standard wasn't created through collaborative efforts. It is Tesla's sole property. This partnership also entails risks for Tesla itself. Exclusive access to its supercharger network, already experiencing congestion during peak periods, has been a key selling point for its vehicles. Customers accustomed to expedited charging might not appreciate having to wait alongside Fords and Chevrolets. Technical standard battles are a recurring theme in newer technologies, often resulting in painful consequences for companies or consumers who back the wrong horse. The fate of video recorders, cell phones, and digital music players, all rendered obsolete by competing formats, is a cautionary tale. Perhaps the biggest concern to the public is the fact that the partnership between Tesla, GM, and Ford is so huge that it shifts the balance of power in the EV world to Tesla's side. While seemingly a step towards progress, the auto industry's recent decision to collaborate with Tesla on electric vehicle EV charging connector standards carries the potential for a monopoly to emerge. While the partnership offers the promise of streamlined technology and wider adoption, a closer look reveals several risks that could stifle competition, harm consumers, and ultimately hinder the growth of the EV market. 3. Efficiency. So the station's completion time is yet to be confirmed. However, it will be built in Kern County, California, at the intersection of the 5 freeway and the 46 highway, right between Northern and Eastern California. The station's strategic location on this well-traveled route helps Tesla owners breathe a sign of relief as they'll get more efficiency out of their car. The core reason behind getting an EV is the environmentally friendly effect on the planet. This eco-friendly system must cut across the board, and an EV should not be charged in a diesel-powered station. The charging station is to use a microgrid that has batteries and solar panels. These combine to make the supercharger station not only reliable for drivers, but also great for the environment. The charging station is to use sunlight and power generation and stores the extra energy in batteries. This means a lot of power to be used on this station will be free for Tesla. But that was how Tesla boasted that its supercharger station at Coalinga, California, which has 98 stalls, would use clean solar energy. But investigative journalist Edward Niedermeyer discovered that the charging station allegedly uses hidden diesel generators. That station can charge vehicles to 80% in 20 minutes, and solar energy can't provide that kind of charging power, but diesel can. So will that station be truly eco-friendly? Eco-friendly or not? Like every huge construction project, the environmental impact could be disastrous if not properly managed. The charging station is to be built on a significantly large portion of land, and most likely includes a solar farm right beside it. This project mostly affects the lives of animals and directly or indirectly affects the ecosystem. The waste to be generated from this station could pose more problems to the environment. Now, if Tesla goes by its alleged act of using diesel to fuel its charging stations, the environment could suffer even more. The next detail of a Tesla's supercharger station will stun you. Biggest supercharger station but not biggest charging station. Tesla's planned behemoth charging station in Kern County, California, will soon rival its supercharger station in Coalinga, California. But does Tesla have the biggest charging station in the world? No. The world's largest EV charging hub currently rests in Germany, with the Merklingen facility boasting 259 charging hubs. This German marvel boasts a colossal solar panel roof that generates electricity for the station, with any surplus feeding back into the grid. The project reportedly cost 5 million euros, showcasing a commitment to sustainable charging solutions. Interestingly, the Merklingen station's 259 spots hold a narrow lead over a Shell's fast charging station in Shenzhen, China, which opened in 2023. Despite these impressive rivals, Tesla remains a dominant force in the fast charging network landscape. With over 50,000 superchargers worldwide, according to their website, the company continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicle infrastructure. The future of electric vehicles. With the rate at which charging stations are popping up around the world, it is safe to say that not all charging stations will be used to their full capacity. However, with more and more electric vehicles being produced daily by various manufacturers, it is paramount that charging stations like the one Tesla plans gets built. As EVs become more popular, drivers would look to charge as conveniently. The future of EVs looks promising as governments worldwide invest in infrastructure to support their use. Additionally, advancements in battery technology are making EVs more practical for daily use. EVs will most likely influence the future of the automotive industry, with many traditional car manufacturers shifting their focus to producing electric vehicles. Overall, the future of EVs is bright, and we can expect to see more and more of them on the roads in the coming years. Why Tesla superchargers are the best? It is understandable why traditional car makers choose to work with Tesla. The company is simply the best as it provides premium service and quality maintenance, which means at every point you find a Tesla supercharger, it is working. And on the occasion that it isn't, it working would soon be repaired and made available to the public. Superchargers can provide up to about 200 miles of distance in about 15 minutes with slight changes depending on the model. With easy payment which is seamlessly integrated into the Tesla system, using a supercharger is a no-brainer. Building the mega supercharging station is a very strategic move on Tesla's side. It certainly fits into Tesla's future of partnering with traditional car manufacturers. But the question is, will Tesla eventually go through with it, or would it just be a project with media hype? Let us know what you think. Thank you for watching our video. Do kindly subscribe for more videos like this.